Winter is coming, and prepping your home now can save you from freezing temperatures, costly repairs, and even dangerous situations. Let's go over the must-do steps to winterize your home for the cold season. Start by insulating and sealing drafts. Use weather stripping for doors and windows, and place draft stoppers at the bottom of doors. This can keep cold air out and help retain heat, cutting down on energy costs. Consider adding window insulation film. This plastic film can be easily applied and will help reduce heat loss. It's especially helpful for older, single-pane windows. Next, check your gutters. Clean out any leaves and debris to prevent blockages. Clogged gutters can lead to ice dams, which can cause roof leaks and damage. Protect your pipes from freezing by wrapping them with pipe insulation. Focus on pipes in unheated areas like basements and attics. A frozen pipe can burst and cause expensive water damage. Stock up on rock salt, ice melt, or sand. These are essential for keeping your walkways and driveways safe from ice buildup. Remember, some ice melts are pet-friendly and won't harm your furry friends. It's time to prep your heating system. Have your furnace inspected and serviced, and clean your fireplace if you use one. Regular maintenance ensures efficiency and reduces fire risk. Winter means more time indoors, so test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Replace batteries if needed, and make sure detectors are in working order. This is crucial when using heaters, fireplaces, or stoves. Insulate your water heater to keep it from losing heat. This easy fix can help you save on energy costs and ensure you have hot water throughout the winter. Trim any tree branches that hang close to your home. Heavy snow or ice can cause branches to break and damage your roof, siding, or power lines. If you have storm windows or shutters, install them now. They add an extra layer of protection against wind and cold, and they're great for reducing heat loss. Switch your ceiling fans to rotate clockwise. This helps push warm air down from the ceiling, making rooms feel warmer and reducing heating costs. Put together a winter emergency kit with items like flashlights, extra batteries, blankets, and a portable phone charger. If you lose power, this kit will help you stay warm and connected. Cover your outdoor faucets with insulated covers. This prevents them from freezing, which can lead to burst pipes inside your home. Bring in or cover any outdoor furniture. This protects your items from snow and ice, prolonging their lifespan. Place weatherproof mats outside entrances. These help keep snow, ice, and water from getting trapped inside and reduce the chance of slipping on icy surfaces. By prepping your home for winter now, you're setting yourself up for a warm and safe season ahead. Let us know in the comments if you have any winter prep tips, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for a full winter prep checklist. Stay safe and warm.